This is one of my favorite recipes, and I want to share it with you all here on the Very Okay channel. It's a very simple and easy recipe, perfect for a family gathering or a dinner with friends. This baked pasta is absolutely wonderful and has a taste quite similar to lasagna. I will show you step by step. It has few ingredients and you'll be amazed by this mouth-watering recipe. Welcome to the Very Okay channel. Here we will share valuable knowledge and practical, delicious recipes. We want to encourage everyone to prepare their meals at home because by doing this, you'll have much better health and knowledge about preparing mouth-watering dishes. So if you like this content, take a moment to like, subscribe, and share. Very okay. To start, I will prepare the pasta. You can choose the pasta of your preference. You can also choose gluten-free and organic pasta. Here I have 300 grams of pasta that I will cook. I have already boiled water in the pot, so I'll add the pasta and cook it for approximately 10 minutes. Here I have about 4 cloves of garlic. Garlic adds a special flavor. If you want to put less, you can, it's up to you. If you don't like it, you can skip this step. I will use half of a white onion. Using a sharp knife, I'll chop the onion into small pieces. The onion will add a special flavor. I will set the onion aside and now I'll chop the red pepper. I will chop approximately a quarter of a red pepper, which adds a special flavor and is quite healthy. Here I have green olives. I will add approximately 9 units. If you like olives a lot, you can add more. Yes, the green olive adds a differentiated flavor and I recommend you try it. I'll chop the olives and set them aside to add with the other ingredients that I will use shortly. Here I have parsley and coriander. I will add a bit to add even more flavor to the recipe. I will chop them very finely and then set them aside along with the green olives. I have already cooked the pasta. I will set the pasta aside to then mix in the other ingredients. Here I have leftover ham. I will add it to the recipe to give it a special taste. I have about 100 grams of ham here. You can add more if you want, it's optional, and yes, the ham will give it a special touch and the pasta will taste very similar to lasagna. In the frying pan, I will add a teaspoon of coconut oil without coconut flavor, which is suitable for cooking and very healthy. If you want to know about the benefits of coconut oil for cooking, here on the Very Okay channel we have a video talking about the benefits of coconut oil for health, which is very interesting. I'll add the garlic until it's well toasted. The toasted garlic is what will give an extra flavor. After toasting the garlic well, I will set it aside. Here in the same pan, I will cook the ground beef, approximately 300 grams of ground beef. After cooking the ground beef, I will add the already toasted garlic. Now here I will gather the rest of the ingredients. As you can see in the pan, I've already added the ham, the onion, and the red pepper. I'll mix everything well and cook on low heat. I will add a teaspoon of sea salt, and here I will add a bit of turmeric, approximately a teaspoon of turmeric. And if you want to learn about the properties of turmeric, here on the channel we have a special video about turmeric. Very okay. I'll add black pepper, which is a perfect combination with turmeric, and then mix everything well. This combination is even perfect with a simple rice. Here I have a type of tomato sauce, arrabiata sauce. You can add the tomato sauce according to your preference. I will add approximately 150 to 200 grams of tomato sauce or 158 to 210 milliliters. The amount of tomato sauce will depend on your preference. If you want a saucier pasta with a stronger tomato sauce flavor, you can add a little more. I'll add 50 milliliters of water and mix everything well. After mixing well, I'll turn off the heat and finally add the rest of the ingredients. Here I'll add the green olives, parsley, and coriander. To add more flavor, I'll add oregano, approximately a teaspoon of oregano, and mix everything well. In a baking dish, I'll place the pasta, then the ground meat mixture already mixed, and spread it well. Look at this wonderful recipe. It's a great option for a romantic or family dinner. To make it even more special, I'll add mozzarella cheese, enough to cover the pasta. I'll add about 150 grams of mozzarella cheese. Of course, if you want to add more, you can. The cheese will melt in the oven and yes, the flavor is wonderful. I'll bake it at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit for about 7 minutes, just enough to melt the cheese. Look at how delicious this baked pasta is. To make it even more special, you can add more oregano. Yes, look at this delicious dish. I'm very hungry and yes, this recipe is indeed mouth-watering. It's very simple, easy, and here you saw the step-by-step, so please like this video and share it with your friends. And if you're already subscribed, you'll have much more content and news because we will be posting videos every week with many novelties. After trying this recipe, let me know what you thought. If you have suggestions, you can write them in the comments. Making homemade food is not only therapeutic, but it's also a great option for you if you want to follow a more natural and healthy diet. Here on the Very OK channel, we show that you can replace processed ingredients with more natural ones like coconut oil, garlic, black pepper, turmeric, etc. Thank you for watching this video and I hope to see you soon. Very OK.